Draw a rose in 1 minute. Easy steps for beginners. Hey, budding artists, let's make magic with just a pencil. Begin by sketching a simple oval for your rosebud. Add a curved line below it. Voila, you've got a stem. See? Easy peasy, right? Now let's bring your rose to life. Draw overlapping petal shapes hugging the oval, each one dancing with curves. Vary their size to give your rose charm and personality. Don't stress, imperfections make it special. What's a rose without leaves? Add a couple of leaf shapes along the stem. Keep it simple, long ovals with sharp tips, kind of like yummy taco shells. You're building beauty, one stroke at a time. Ready for the wow factor? Sprinkle veins onto the leaves with soft, curvy pencil lines. Dive in with a touch of shading on petals and leaves to boost depth and drama. Watch your sketch blossom into something stunning. Liked this? Now it's your time to bloom. Grab some paper and share your rose masterpiece with us using My Playful Rose. Subscribe for more fun sketches, and remember, every great artist started with just one perfect petal.